Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm doing a cook and clean with me video. It is an all-day video. So my boys, they had a joint birthday party and we had family coming into town from Minnesota, from LA, all over the place. So I wanted to really clean the house. So I'll be cleaning both upstairs and downstairs. And I just wanted to show you guys what I did from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So here I'm making some bread. That's the first thing I'm doing because bread takes about 4 hours. And I went ahead and I put all the ingredients that I needed away. And you guys know I gotta take care of that lint roller and do a load of laundry. So I'm putting a laundry that I already did a load in the dryer, and then I'm gonna do another load. I like to stay caught up with laundry, and I feel like laundry is never ending. So that's something I do like first thing in the morning. And I'm cleaning Jakey's high chair. This is the best high chair. It's so easy to clean and it rolls away. I just love how it rolls. It makes it easy to like clean and to just move around. And here I'm putting some dishes away. That's also something that I like to do in the morning. You know, when everything is all done after eating breakfast, and I'm refilling the dish soap dispenser with some more of that delicious geranium scented dish soap. And I'm just cleaning the sink right now. So this is a cook and clean with me video. I'm making egg salad and I'm just boiling hot water so I can, you know, boil some eggs later. And I'm just putting random dishes and everything that I need away. And then after I do that, I am just wiping all the counters down with my delicious smelling Myers Geranium Scented Multi-Surface Spray. You guys, I was working with Grove Collaborative on my previous cleaning video, but this video is not sponsored by them. But I'm sure that you guys could still get that awesome kit, so I'll still link it below, but this video isn't sponsored. But you guys gotta try that Geranium Scented Multi-Surface Spray. That stuff smells amazing. And over here, I am cleaning the Verismo. You guys, we've had that Verismo for 4 years, but it still makes really good coffee. But it does have some issues with descaling. So now I am just wiping everything down, putting all the parts back into the Verismo, wiping the Verismo down. And then you guys, I love to refill the Verismo. I just like to make sure that it's got all the coffee all of our guests and family need. And over here, I'm just spraying down that table. And you guys see how like that table got long? It's because we have a leak and we're gonna have so much family over. So we just extended it, and I love that table. We've had it forever. And I gotta clean the trash, you guys know. And I'm still using that Geranium Scented Multi-Surface Spray. I use it for everything because it smells so good and fresh. I don't know what came into me, but I was like, let me organize the Tupperware area. So that's what I'm doing. But let me tell you guys, after a day, it gets disorganized again. So sometimes I think like, why did I do this? I did it because I'm having family and in-laws over, and I didn't want them thinking that I live like a pig. I don't know. So, but I am glad that I organized it and it was cute for a day. So here I got a package from Honest Company. I purchased some diapers for Jacob, so I'm just putting those diapers away and that package, which were some blinds for our kitchen, and I'm just tidying up the living room space. By the way, a lot of you guys mentioned we should get an area rug. I so badly think we need an area rug, and I so badly want one. But we got 3 cats, and Mr. Bob, one of them, he likes to pee on carpet, on rug. That's why we ripped off all the carpet. It used to be carpet in this area, so I'm just kind of hesitant to get an area rug. So I'm just tidying up like I showed you, and then the water was boiling, so I went ahead and I put some eggs in there to make some delicious hard-boiled eggs for a delicious egg salad. By the way, I have that egg salad recipe on Cook with April. So I went ahead and I recycled the carton of eggs. And I'm just cleaning up that fireplace. That fireplace gets really dirty and dusty. So this is the downstairs bathroom. Just, you know, cleaning it all up, wiping everything down, disinfecting the toilet, scrubbing the toilet down. And now instead of like mopping, I just did a Swiffer type of mop. And because I recently deep cleaned the house, so this is more like just kind of spot cleaning it. And the floor, it wasn't even that dirty. If you guys saw when I removed the little pad, it wasn't that dirty. But here I am just doing the same thing, and I'm vacuuming first. I like vacuuming the floors. Did I tell you guys I don't sweep the floors anymore? I just straight up vacuum, and I like our cordless vacuum. It is a heaven sent. I think I got that for my birthday or Mother's Day, like last year or 2 years ago. I don't know when, but I love it so much. You know that you're getting older or you love cleaning is when you request for things like related to cleaning as gifts. The next thing I want on my list is a new steam vacuum. So I went ahead and I checked if everything was good. So there goes the eggs. By the way, I'm gonna link that pasta boiler because it is amazing. So here I am doing my Swiffer Sweeping, and that stuff smells so good. And my comfy shoes. You guys know how I do. You guys know I wipe down my shoes before I started cleaning the house. You guys know that's just how I am. And Mr. Bob, I don't know what happened. He just stained the carpet. So here I am just scrubbing that carpet, and I'm using whatever spray to scrub all the stuff out. And the piano, it gets dusty. So here I am just wiping the piano down, even though the next day it'll get dusty, or in 2 hours. Wiping down the upstairs bathroom. This is where the boys take their bath, so I kind of call this the boys' bathroom. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you guys myself cleaning my bedroom. That's because I didn't really clean the bedroom, our bedroom. No one goes in there. I tidied up, but I'll show you guys a dedicated video on cleaning the bedroom. So here I'm just Swiffer sweeping upstairs where the boys' bathroom is, and now I'm just peeling the eggs. And you guys, I got so lucky. I added a little bit of baking soda in that water, and it was so easy to peel the eggs. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I didn't have to remove so much of it. Like, it was just so easy to peel off. Alright, so let's make that egg salad. I had to drink some coffee, you guys. I'm always drinking water, coffee, water, coffee. So, like I mentioned, the ingredients and everything I listed in my Cook with April video. I have a dedicated video on that. But it's pretty much mayo, mustard, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika. Sometimes I like to add a little garlic. And I have a family member who doesn't like green onions, so I scoop some for him in a separate container. So that's his dedicated egg salad amount. And then I love green onions, so I went cray-cray. I use scissors to cut up green onions. By the way, I don't like using knives to cut up green onions. It's just easier. And then just mix all that together, and I just put that in a container to refrigerate because I love egg salad cold. So yeah, it's gonna be nice and cold. Wipe down everything again. And now we're in Jacob's room, so I'm gonna just change his sheets. New bedding is so nice. I do this at least once a week, if not more. It all depends if he spits up or something, but he doesn't spit up that much anymore because he's almost 1. I also changed his changing pad. That I change more than once a week, like every other day pretty much. And I'm just wiping everything down with Mrs. Meyer's geranium. I probably sound like a broken record, but that stuff smells amazing, you guys. Try it. So here I am. I went into Jakey's crib so I can wipe it down. I was scared though because that Ottoman was like moving and I almost fell. So here I'm just organizing Jacob's closet. I don't have a lot of stuff in Jacob's closet as far as clothing, but I use it to store diapers and things like that, and wipes. And since family was coming over, my mom is the type of person who wants to look in the closets and stuff. So I did this for you, Mom. If you're watching, I cleaned it up for you. So I removed everything so I can just wipe down the dresser, and I refilled the diapers. Got socks over there, and the little container bins are so cute. And here I am vacuuming. If you guys have not ever tried a cordless vacuum, you guys, your life will change. Definitely add it to your wish list. Definitely make a purchase if you guys want to, or wait till Mother's Day. Ask somebody hey, can you get me this? Even if you're not a mom to children, a mom to cats or dogs, a parent. Just get you a cordless vacuum, your life will change. Oh man, Liam's room is like the craziest, the messiest. So here I am just putting his stuffed animals away. Thank goodness his bed has like storage under, right? And then I took the stuffed animals out again so that I can kind of like decorate his room. He loves that. Like when he comes home from school, he's like, Mommy, I love it. And so ever since he like just got so excited, I've been doing it regularly. Okay, you guys, I got sweaty and hot. Family's almost over. It was like around 1 p.m. I was like, oh my gosh. So I took a break, I took a shower, and I went ahead and I got ready. And I'm just wearing leggings because that's what I wear at home. And then I went back to cleaning Liam's room. I had those little storage boxes. You guys know what I do? I just put random toys in there. If it looks messy, I just put it in there and I put it away. And here I'm just cleaning Liam's kitchen area. I'm just wiping down everything, removing everything, and then wiping down and just repeat. You guys see the trend? I have like water everywhere. I'm always drinking my water. You guys gotta stay hydrated. I'm always thirsty. Here I'm organizing the books. But did you guys see, like, Liam had so many books. Like, he loves books. I love that about him so much. But then the books are everywhere. Just absolutely everywhere. See, that's what I mean, everywhere. So I just threw the books on the floor and I decided to just organize that later. But first I had to just wipe down his dresser. And now, do you guys see all those books? I'm putting it all away into the bottom of his little storage unit. And I kind of organized it based on like library books and then books that we actually own. So that's the library book section. And here I'm just vacuuming the stairs. So that is a nice clean bedroom of Liam's. I'm so happy. It's so nice and fresh. And then that's Jakey's bedroom. Jakey's bedroom is nice and clean too. And I don't think I've ever done like a nursery tour for Jacob. So this is kind of like a mini nursery tour. And sorry, it's kind of like a shaky camera. My tripod was not trying to move with me. But I love his little jungle theme. It's so adorable. And that the glider and the chair was Liam's. All of the furniture was Liam's back then. And then we just kind of transformed it for Jakey's like theme. But I'm really glad we kept the old like furniture for Jacob and the crib and all that. So here I am downstairs in the guest bedroom and I'm just vacuuming and I'm just wiping everything down. I wanted that to be the last thing because I wanted it to be extra clean for a family when they arrive. And then I had some time. They had a delay on their flight. So I was like, oh my gosh, I can organize. So I decided to organize Liam and Jacob's like dresser. So I also decided to like just look through all the clothes that didn't fit and donate them. So for Jacob's clothes, I'm donating, but for Liam's clothes, I don't donate because Liam's clothes can fit Jacob eventually. So that's just me drinking my water, folding the laundry. Don't you guys wish folding laundry was like this fast, like the speed version? Because let me tell you, this took forever. But what I actually like to do, what you guys don't see, is I'm actually listening to a book. I'm listening to High Performance Habits. I really like that book. It's very helpful. It kind of makes me think about how I should do things. I just thought I'd share in case you guys wanted to listen to it too. But like my favorite book that I have listened to at least 3 times, You Are a Badass. Like when I listen to that book, I'm like, yes, honey. I just thought I'd share. Oh, and then there's also the You Are a Badass at Making Money. That book is pretty bomb too, but I like the original You Are a Bomb Ass better. So here I am just hanging some of Jakey's jackets and sweaters. That's pretty much the only thing I hang in his closet. And then those things don't fit Jakey anymore, so those I'm gonna donate. And the bread is done, you guys. Oh my goodness. I was starving, like starving. I didn't eat lunch until late because I wanted to eat this delicious bread. So I like doing an open face egg salad, so that's just one piece of bread and then I put that delicious egg salad right on top. I ate that, and then after that I went ahead and I continued to do Liam's room. So I just folded all of Liam's laundry. Liam's room is the messiest also when it comes to clothes, because he picks his own clothes, and when he picks his clothes he will like pull out everything in the closet, everything in his drawer, and then put it back in. And it just gets really unorganized. So I decided I really need to store some of his clothes because he can't see all of his clothes and some of them don't fit. So I just wanted to store that for Jacob in the future. Let me know if you guys have sons, do they like superheroes? Because Liam loves superheroes and dinosaurs and Paw Patrol. Those are like his favorite things to wear, and he only likes to wear clothes with characters on them. It's been a theme ever since he turned 3. Like if you guys notice, you see Batman a lot as far as like his clothing and things that have bases like dinosaurs, Paw Patrol, Ninja Turtle, Superman, construction vehicles. Dang, you guys, like this was a workout. I was tired when I edited this video. I was like, dang girl, how you do all this? Like I was knocked out. That night I slept well. So that's Liam's closet. I'm just putting all the clothes away, and family came over, yay! So that is my cleaning video.